Title: You cannot call Allah God. Why English names cannot enter the Quran. If Allah's name is Allah, who gave anyone the right to call him God in his own book? We've heard it said that the name Jesus should never replace Isa in the Quran, and that's true. But let's take it a step deeper. If Jesus doesn't belong in the Arabic Qur'an, then neither does the word God. This is not a light matter. This is about divine identity, about the Most High revealing his name and warning the world, don't change my words. Let's go straight to the Quran itself. Surah Al-An'am 6:115. And the word of your Lord has been fulfilled in truth and justice. None can change his words, and he is the hearing, the knowing. Arabic: وَتَمَّتْ كَلِمَةُ رَبِّكَ صِدْقًا وَعَدْلًا لَا مُبَدِّلَ لِكَلِمَاتِهِ وَهُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ. The name Allah is not a generic label. It is not a cultural equivalent of God. It is a sacred, unique name with no plural and no gender. The word God can be misused. In plural, gods, feminine, goddess, and even misattributed. But Allah is never misused. That is why he chose that name for himself in the Quran. Let's break this down. The Quran was revealed in Arabic. The name Allah, Allah, is used 2,698 times in the Quran. Not once is the word God used in the Arabic. So when translators replace Allah with God in English versions, they are not translating. They are modifying the name of the divine, violating the very command of Surah 6:115. Let's bring in more divine proof. Surah Al-Kahf 18:27. And recite what has been revealed to you of the book of your Lord. None can change his words, and never will you find in other than him a refuge. Arabic: وَاتْلُ مَا أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ مِنْ كِتَابِ رَبِّكَ لَا مُبَدِّلَ لِكَلِمَاتِهِ وَلَنْ تَجِدَ مِنْ دُونِهِ مُلْتَحَدًا. No change, no swap, no name exchange. Then why do English Qur'ans replace Allah with God? They say it's for readability, for Western understanding. But did Allah ask for his name to be simplified? No. He said, preserve it. Do not change it. Even Satan knows that changing a name changes the identity. The moment Allah is substituted with God, the Quran can now be interpreted through Christian, Hindu, or polytheistic lenses, because God means different things to different people. But Allah means one, unique, eternal, self-sufficient. Surah Al-Ikhlas 112:1-4. Say, He is Allah the One, Allah the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, and there is none like unto him. Arabic: قُلْ هُوَ لِلَّهُ أَحَدٌ لِلَّهُ الصَّمَدُ لَمْ يَلِدْ وَلَمْ يُولَدْ وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Notice, not once does this say God. It says Allah, because Allah is not a translation. He is a name. Now let us challenge the skeptics, the imams, the translators, the scholars. Show us one verse in the Arabic Qur'an that uses the word God. Just one. You cannot. Just as the Quran never calls Jesus, Jesus, but Shiesa, it never calls Allah God. So we ask, why include Jesus? Why include God? Is this a translation or a theological edit? Is this preserving revelation or reshaping it? Conclusion: every Quran that inserts God instead of Allah and Jesus instead of Isa is not a true Quran. It is a distortion, a bridge built for compromise. But Allah's word is not to be compromised. Surah 6:115 stands as a warning, a final seal. No one, not a translator, not a scholar, not a scribe, has the authority to replace the name of the Creator.